Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to add horizontal rulers using HTML. Horizontal rulers means horizontal lines like this line if you want to add in HTML, then we have to use the tags in HTML known as HR tags, or we can also use HR forward slash, which are self-closing tags, which are self-closing tags. That means they won't be having any separate closing tag. Wherever they started, they will end there only. Here, HR tag is starting here. Here only it will end. It will not have separate closing tags. So, for example, P tag is starting here. P tag will end at the closing tag. This is the closing part of the P tag. This is the starting of the P tag. But coming to the HR tags, they will start there only and they will end there only. These are called as self-closing tags. Using these tags in HTML, we can add this kind of horizontal rulers, that is horizontal lines. Now, let me practically demonstrate these tags for you. For that, I'll switch to this editor where we have written some sample HTML code. And here inside the body tags, we have this 5 lines. So before adding the HR or HR forward slash tags to this HTML code, if I open this HTML file in the browser, all the text is getting displayed in a single line and you are not seeing any horizontal lines like this, right? Horizontal rulers or lines like this on the web page. Now, before this line number 1, I would like to add a line, and after this line number 1, I want to add a horizontal line. So for that, what I will do is I'll go to this, and here before this line, I'll add HR. Now save this and go here and refresh once. You see, a horizontal line has been added. Horizontal ruler has been added to this page. Now after this line number 1 also, I want to write or draw a horizontal line or add a horizontal line. For that, after this line, I'll add HR tag. Save this, go back and refresh. You see, after this line also, we got a horizontal ruler or line here. Similarly, I want to add horizontal lines after every line. For that, you see, after this line also, I want to add horizontal line, HR. HR means horizontal ruler. The full form of the HR is, the full form of this HR tag is horizontal, horizontal, horizontal ruler is a full form. HR means horizontal ruler. Now here, again HR, here also HR. After this line also, I want a horizontal line or horizontal ruler added to the page. Now save this and go back to this and refresh this page and see. Before and after every line, a horizontal ruler or line is added to the page. Right? Now, in place of this HR, you can also specify HR forward slash. Both are same. Either you can specify HR or HR forward slash. These are self-closing tags. They will start here only. They will end here only. Okay? Whether you are using HR or HR forward slash, both are same. Any of these things you can use. So refresh here, you will get the same output. So hope guys you understood how to use this HR self-closing tags in HTML to add these horizontal lines on the page or to add these horizontal rulers on the page. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.